There are so many jackals and other animals in the forest, but there will be only one lion. And even if it is single, it will be the king of jungle.
We all know that Thalapathy Vijay is a beloved celebrity. He has big fandom, money, and a lot of love from his fans.
என் நெஞ்சில் குடியிருக்கும்
At this stage where he charges more money and he is the most paid actor in the Asia, at this stage when his fandom is at its peak, where everyone, actor or actress, has the dream to achieve some level of his fandom. The man who gave face off to the stardom of Thalaiva itself, Rajnikant, from being most hated actor in early 2000s to become the most loved one in entire country. From making his political party in February 2024 to become not an MLA or MP, direct CM, and beating the 55 years of career of AIA, BMK and 75 years of BMK in just single attempt. But this is not new for country like India where celebrity turned into politician. If we take as an example of South celebrities where Stalin is also an actor earlier before he enters politics. Even Rajnikant and Kamal Haasan has also tried to enter in politics but failed to do so. Only Pawan Kalyan has enters in politics and he is only Deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh. But Vijay has the courage to become a CM on the basis of his fandom in just 2 years. But the $1,000,000 question is why he enters in politics. This whole thing started back in 2009 where Vijay launches his social welfare organization Vijay Makkal Layakam. Basically, this is a network of fan club where they operates free study centers, provides free food services and blood donation camp in Tamil Nadu. VMI served as a strategic silent revolution for Vijay to enter in politics and the results clear. 4th May 2026, Vijay won by majority of seats, winning over 107 seats in Tamil Nadu. Even our confident Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi is also fear of this man. It is clear that Vijay will rule the Tamil Nadu itself from now onwards and no one has courage to replace him from that CM he could see. But the actual fear of his fan is there is no Leo 2 Master Sequel or LCU connection in future and even nobody will come of Thalapathy Vijay. But one thing is clear, my friend, that this country is going to be in safe hands. And what if is it possible that in 2029 Vijay can beat Narendra Modi and become Prime Minister of India? If it became true in future, then no one can beat India's economy who stand in global stage. Well, this is my opinion on Vijay's enters in politics. What you think? Will he become Prime Minister in future? Let me know in comment section.